WinRAR is one of the most popular tools for opening, extracting, and creating compressed files on Windows. In this video, let me show you how to download and install it on your Windows PC. Alright, in your browser's search box, type WinRAR, then press enter. Click on the first result from win-rar.com. On this page, click on Download WinRAR button. And then, just click again on Download WinRAR button right here. WinRAR installer will now be downloaded to your computer. Once download is complete, open your Downloads folder, then double-click on Installer to launch the installation wizard. You can change installation location if you'd like, but the default destination is perfectly fine, so simply click Install. I highly recommend checking all of these options, then click OK. After that, click Done. WinRAR is now installed. Now, from this point, I can compress any folder just by right-clicking on it and selecting Add to Archive option. You'll have two options here, .rar or .zip. You just pick one you want, then click OK, and boom, your compressed file appears instantly. And that's how you can download and install WinRAR on your Windows PC. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.